Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am showing how to create this hot and cold coffee. This is very viral in internet nowadays. So let's see how to prepare this easy peasy recipe. For this I have taken instant coffee powder. I am using in a proportion 2:3:2, like 2 tablespoon of coffee powder, 3 tablespoon of sugar, and 2.5 tablespoon of water. You can use any teaspoon but use the same ratio, otherwise it won't come up nicely. So whichever the spoon you are using, add 2 tablespoon of coffee powder, 3 tablespoon of sugar, and 2.5 tablespoon of water. Once you have added all the ingredients, start blending with the electric blender. If you don't have an electric blender, you can use a whisker as well, but it may take longer time than this. In an electric blender it will take around 5 minutes to get a fluffy, soft and also nice frosting. With the hand blender or a beater, it will take around 12 to 15 minutes to get this texture. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you can see it has changed the color and it has become fluffy and soft as well. The color will change to light brown color and the consistency will be like, if you drop from the blender blade, it won't drop. That should be the perfect consistency. You can see we are getting a stiff peak and it is not dropping from the blade as well. This is the perfect consistency I was looking for. I'll just beat for another 30 seconds, mixing everything together, and our frosting is ready. Cappuccino frosting is ready. So now we will prepare our hot and cold cappuccinos. First I am preparing the cold cappuccino. For this I have taken a glass and I am adding around 3 cubes of ice cube, and I'll be adding around 1 glass of milk. This is a warm milk, and I have added around half a tablespoon of sugar to this milk. If you don't like sugar, you can skip the sugar and add the plain milk as well. Now we will top this milk with our frosting, cappuccino frosting. I'll be adding around 2 full spoon of frosting as per the requirement. So for 1 glass, that is around 200 ml of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoon of frosting could be enough. I'll just top it this cappuccino with grated chocolate. You can top it with a coffee powder or also with cocoa powder as well, but I like chocolate in my coffee, so I'm adding chocolate. You can add chocolate syrup also. So my cold cappuccino is ready. So next we will prepare our hot cappuccino as well. For the hot cappuccino, we will take a glass and we will add a hot milk. For this I have not added extra sugar, so I am adding the plain hot milk. The milk should be very hot. Then we will top it up with the same frosting. I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of frosting, and I'll top it with the chocolate. You can use chocolate syrup as well, as I mentioned before, but I am using the grated chocolates here. So both the coffees are ready. This is very yummy, very delicious, very easy to prepare. Hope you have liked my video. If so, please give a thumbs up for this video and also subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.